What's up guys? In today's video I have had time to actually go ahead and install the Graves Progressive Throttle tube onto my GSXR. Now my GSXR is a 2004 model GSXR that I've owned since brand new, and basically I am more and more converting it just to a track bike. So the next thing that I always wanted to do is modify the throttle or get a better throttle so that I can get better acceleration coming out of corners and get to the wide open throttle a lot sooner. I find myself with the OEM throttle that it takes forever to sort of really get to wide open throttle, and almost sometimes you just think oh, there's no more left, and it just keeps sort of you can twist the wrist more. So I looked at the options obviously of getting a Motion Pro quick action throttle or an ATR quick action throttle that we sell. But all those throttles come with their own bodies, and then you have to sort of, add that onto all the other stuff that's on the handlebar. And I really wanted to just sort of keep it clean and simple. And I wasn't sure if the Graves Progressive Throttle will fit, but it did fit pretty. I had to modify the actual housing inside. I had to cut the, grind out a section of the sort of throttle stops that come in the OEM throttle, which are kind of not necessary because the actual throttle bodies have those stops as well. So I took those out, eliminated those, and then I found out that the actual housing of the cable was a bit too long, so it was stopping the throttle Graves throttle from operating as well. So I had to play around with that and get cut that out with a bit of a sort of what's it called, with a rotary toolkit. I just had to go and check what the tool is called. Oh my god! So yeah, so I had to basically cut around that to make it shorter so that it doesn't interfere with the throttle, and just sort of took a little bit of playing around to get the throttle cables to fit. So basically it's and that the beauty of it is I get to just basically use the OEM throttle housing, which means I used also the OEM cables. I didn't have to sort of replace them, and I just gave them a once over and pretty much they look fine. So here's the video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you like it. guys, there you go. That's the video of me installing the Graves Progressive Throttle on the GSXR. I'm pretty sure that this will fit most bikes. It definitely will fit the new R1s, the new R6, the new ZX10R. From, like, I'm talking 2015 and up, R1, 2017 R6. I'm pretty sure it will work 2008 to 2016 R6 as well. MTO10, MTO7, MTO9. It will work with ZX10R. I'm pretty sure ZX6R as well. And it works on pretty much most Suzukis, from what I can tell. So I don't see why it wouldn't work on other bikes. And it's a great option if you don't want to spend 280, 290 bucks for a Motion Pro quick action throttle kit, full kit. Then you can sort of get one of these throttle tubes. They're made out of titanium, so they're not sort of, you know, cheap plasticky ones, so that's why they're a little bit more. So they're about 189 bucks. I'll leave the link below in this where you can get one of these. We stock them here as well, as you can see, it's right there. We've got more stock coming. It's a great, really good product, I believe. I can't wait to now test it on the GSXR, but from people that have used it now and they've used them that I've talked to, they absolutely 100% give it an okay, that it does help them tremendously getting onto more power and powering out of corners a lot faster and a lot better. So yeah, it has a thumbs up from some really experienced world class racers that are using this on their bikes. Thanks again, yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button, so that you get notified when we publish the videos. Hit the like button as well, and I'll catch you next time.